Can you lose your gun rights for a misdemeanor Family Violence Act conviction in Georgia? The answer to that is likely no if you are sentenced under Georgia's First Offenders Act. If you are not sentenced under Georgia's First Offenders Act, then the answer is absolutely yes. You will lose your right to possess a firearm under federal law forever for a misdemeanor conviction, okay? Now, if you go to any court in Northeast Georgia, you will frequently hear people being completely misadvised about the answer to that question about whether you lose your firearm rights for a misdemeanor FVA conviction sentenced under the First Offenders Act, okay? Judges will misadvise people. Lawyers will misadvise people. They will tell them that they lose their firearms rights under the federal law, which is called the Lautenberg Amendment. They will tell you lose those even for an FVA conviction, misdemeanor under the First Offenders Act, and you likely do not, okay? Now, this is where it gets kind of complicated, okay? The reason there is no absolute 100% answer about this is because there is not a single case interpreting a Georgia FVA misdemeanor first offender case under the federal Lautenberg Amendment, okay? And this is explained a little more here in our post, but the essence is, in order to lose your federal firearm rights, you have to have what's put in the statute as a conviction. You have to be convicted of the crime, okay? First offender law in Georgia means that you're not convicted while you're on probation, and you are officially discharged, aka expunged, upon the completion of your sentence, okay? So the gist and bottom line is, while you are on first offender probation for a misdemeanor FVA, you may lose your firearm rights during that time period. May, not been clearly decided, okay? Once you complete the sentence and are discharged under the First Offenders Act, you almost certainly do keep your firearms rights, okay? So while on probation, you may. At the end of probation, you absolutely, almost certainly, are going to have your federal firearms rights restored and be able to possess a firearm without disability. If you're in this situation, you're charged with a misdemeanor FVA, you're worried about your firearms rights, give us a call, especially if you're in the North Georgia area, we can help you out.